Voice wake up, hello TT. There are 3 buttons. The same fluffy surface material as the original car. Only 1 centimeter lower. The model is 6 feet 2 inches tall and does not affect headspace. Remove the front trunk trim panel. Connect the Sunshade transformer to the vehicle's original 48V power supply. Connect the 48 volts red wire from the Sunshade transformer to the vehicle's 48 volts positive wire. Connect the 48 volts black wire from the Sunshade transformer to the vehicle's 48 volts negative wire. Connect the 12 volts yellow output wire from the Sunshade transformer to the 12 volts red wire of the Sunshade. Connect the 12 volts black output wire from the Sunshade transformer to the 12 volts black wire of the Sunshade. Wrap the wiring tool around the power cables. Feed the power cable through from the right front quarter panel. Route the power cable up from the A-pillar. Hide it inside the door frame's rubber seal. Connect the cable to the Sunshade motor. Secure the front section of the frame with 2 clips. Secure the front section of the frame with 2 clips. Insert the fixing blocks on both sides of the ceiling. Tighten the frame and the fixing blocks. A total of 6 fixing blocks are required. Install the Sunshade trim panel. The trim panel has 3 connectors. Insert the Sunshade switch wire into the corresponding connector on the trim panel. Press the 2 side trim panels into place.